Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make chocolate cake. You need 240 ml of milk, add 2 tablespoons vinegar, stir lightly and set aside. Sieve 265 grams of plain flour, 80 grams of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 400 grams of granulated sugar. Mix the dry ingredients well. Add the milk, 2 eggs, 240 ml of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee in 240 ml of hot water and mix well. Add into the batter and mix well. Pour the batter equally into 3 6-inch tins. And bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Allow the cake to cool completely before frosting. Link in description on how to make chocolate buttercream frosting. Apply a crumb coat and refrigerate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, apply the final layer. For the drip, you need 60 grams of white chocolate, add 30 ml of whipping cream and set aside for 5 minutes. You can add white food color. If your drip is too thick, you can add more cream and microwave it for 10 seconds. It has a really nice chocolatey flavor. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.